Mahindra posted a good set of numbers. In fact, it is a beat in terms of the overall performance, with the management also giving a fairly positive commentary. In fact, the beat in terms of the Tech Mahindra results is fairly in line with what most of the IT players have been reporting. Tech Mahindra has reported a beat in terms of the EBIT margin as well as the profitability, with the dollar revenue degrowth fairly in line with what we were expecting. In fact, just in terms of the numbers first, the revenue degrowth degrew by 6.3% quarter on quarter in constant currency terms, while the ET Now poll was expecting a degrowth of 8.1%. Dollar revenue at $1,207 million was down 6.8% quarter on quarter. The reason why we are seeing a decline is, yes, both the enterprise as well as the communication business did post a decline. However, the rate of decline in the enterprise business, which in the enterprise vertical, which forms closely around 60% of the overall revenue, was lower than expected. The enterprise vertical declined by 5.1% in constant currency terms on a quarter-on-quarter basis, while the decline in the communication business, which has nearly around 40% of the revenue, declined by nearly around 8.2%. It was a beat in terms of the EBIT margin. EBIT margin expanded by 10 bips at 10.1% versus our expectation of a decline of 110 bips, and that this itself is a strong beat that Tech Mahindra has been able to expand the EBIT margin in such a high challenging environment which has been hit on account of COVID. Profit at 972 crore was up 21% quarter on quarter. New deal wins on expected lines is lower on a quarter on quarter basis. New deal wins stood healthy at $290 million versus the $500 million in the last quarter itself. If you look at the revenue mix overall, well, the communication vertical declined 8.6% QOQ. It forms 40% of the overall revenue. This itself is the telecom business. Manufacturing declined by 11.1%. Technology media, however, outperformed, grew by 13.1%. BFSI was fairly resilient, degrowth of 4.4%. Retail, transport and logistics segment degrew by 6.2%. So fairly in line. BFSI has been resilient for Tech Mahindra and for the other IT players as well, but communication, manufacturing took a hit, as well as retail saw a degrowth in terms of the overall revenue. In terms of the geography-wise revenue, America degrew by 3.5%. America revenues form nearly around 49% of the overall revenues for Tech Mahindra. Europe did see a sharp degrowth of 9.1% on expected lines. Europe forms close to around 26% of the overall revenue. Again, here as well, we are seeing that the US or America has outperformed or has been rather resilient versus Europe. Management, which is Mr. C.P. Gurnani, he's the MD and CEO of Tech Mahindra. He states that we are witnessing a wave of new age technologies being adopted by the customers as businesses across the globe are actively pursuing digital transformation. We are well positioned to capture such spends, and our endeavor is to be back on the growth path amid increased signs of demand normalizations. The fact is that the management is seeing demand to normalize is a fairly good sign. They're also seeing greater demand for new age technologies. Our CFO mentioned that despite demand uncertainty and volume reduction, we have been able to demonstrate operational resilience through cost optimization. Cash conversion has been strong, while we aim to improve profitability margins as demand normalizes. In fact, we are seeing that the overall cost measures have been good. That has helped the margins. Not just that, we're seeing a very strong cash conversion ratio for Tech Mahindra at nearly around slightly above the 220% to the profitability. So good healthy cash conversion coming in for Tech Mahindra. Good outlook coming in from the management and a beat in terms of the performance.